How did I make these jumbo popcorns? Cover some bowls with some plastic wrap. Get some of this great stuff. Grown-ups only, please. And spray little piles in your bowls. Allow them to dry as directed on the great stuff. Then you can take them out. They look like popcorn, huh? Then you can use some hot glue to stick them together. Again, grown-ups only, please. Pin them on some clothes, and you have created your popcorn outfit.